Sí, de los bosques de Zayde.
No.
Open your eyes, Billy!
Now I do.
Huh! Do you see the lost treasure of the bosque of Zayde?
No.
Open your eyes!
It's a song for people. It's a songbook for people who love. Hey, let's turn to Zayde. Hey, it's our Zayde birthday. And he's our new you see?
Okay, let's sing him this song.